What's up, guys? Welcome back again. We're here, day 2 in the build. Yesterday I didn't work on the car. I was a little busy. I was trying to go pick up some parts, but I ended up not picking them up because I couldn't pick them up. But today's vlog consists of I gotta put this through there, or that one might have just drill a bigger hole there. One of the two. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. I gotta run this line. Got some fittings here from Brian. Thank you, BNR Fittings. Look them up online and at BNR Fittings, IG or online. So yeah, he has all the fittings there. Goes to there. Run it to here. I was planning to put the regulator here, but I think we should just put it here already for the turbo setup that we're gonna do down the road. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that and do the return line there. Get the fittings here again, BNR Fittings. To connect it there, get the shifter line hooked up. I already have it mocked up. I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't know, this what I got, it's kind of, I don't see it lining up. So I'm gonna see if the stock one works there. I'm gonna leave it at that, and yeah, run it to the firewall. I think we're gonna use this water heater line. I'm gonna take that out, run it through there, and then yeah, and get this radiator situated. I have my radiator, my old radiator. I'm gonna try to get that in here. I'll probably have to get, I think I gotta take these things out and I'll make some custom bracket. It's not gonna be the best, but it will work, guarantee you that. And put in the starter. I just bought one from AutoZone. Put in the starter and the sleeve cylinder. So I have all those parts already, actually. As you can see, sorry for the mess. The lines there. This fuel right here, I'm gonna cut them up and see what I could. I'll just custom. I'll make it my own. How it's gonna work. Sorry, my dogs are crazy. Hey, we like to hang out. The K20Z3 fuel regulator. Starter, new starter. Duralast. AutoZone special. Another Duralast. Number is that if you guys ever need one on your K20Z3 swaps. And then hybrid racing clutch line. So you could order them online if you guys are building one. Who's ever watching this later on down the road, you need one of these, I think, just to make your B series to a K series. So you need one of these. You gotta, again, thanks to hybrid racing conversion wiring harness. There we go. We need one of these. We're gonna try to put this in the car also. And I also have the hybrid racing swap hoses. I don't know where the tag is at, sorry. And I also got the hybrid racing throttle cable I'm gonna install also. And what else do we have? Got some hybrid racing coolant TIM switch. So install that. The adapter. What else do I have in here? I got more parts, but I don't know where they are. But as you can see, mounts are in. They're beautiful. Green. I love it. Thank you, Innovated. This thing looks amazing. Custom basically a hybrid racing brand, innovated mounts. It's got their own logo, but dude, can't ask for more. Hybrid racing. So if anybody's new to this channel, welcome. And whoever's been subscribing, thank you for watching. I'm just showing you what I really love to do. You know, I seriously can't speaking up, but I've been in this Honda game since I was like 15 years old. I'm already on my 30s. So just letting you guys know that I love doing this. It's not just for like the likes or anything like that. I just love doing like racing stuff. Like I raced at the racetrack when I was like 16 years old. 16 years old with my brother's Acura GSR Supercharge. That fool told me to put my helmet on and don't say anything and drive the car. And since then, I've always loved working on the car myself and helping other guys to do what they like to do also. I'm just not the best mechanic, but I do my own diligence, I do my own research, so I kind of know what I need to do. So yeah, I enjoy this more than anything, and I love racing. Shifting gears is the best. So yeah, here you go guys. I really enjoy this, because you know what, this thing, it's not as easy as you guys think doing this swap right here. It's amazing. Can't wait for it to start. I think the hole's a little too big, but what we're gonna do is drill a hole in here. Maybe make a slit right here actually, and just shove it in back so it looks clean. I'll show you guys that later when I have it. I just wanted to mock this up. So yeah, she's in. Let's work fuel line next. Let's go. Is it good? Cheers, y'all. Nice seeing you, bud. Still working in this thing. Hey. Day 3 on the swap. We got some stuff done yesterday. Not a lot, but enough. I'll show you guys what we have here. So, got the feed line fed already, right there. You guys can see. Fittings, if we need them, be in our fittings. I already got this drilled down there. Let me show you guys what it came through. So you guys are doing this swap. So this harness is here already. Came through somewhere there. And I got this one in through that hole there where the whatchamacallit heater core was going in. Connected. Sounds good. So first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, I think. It's 6 speed, so I don't know where. Yeah, somewhere in there. So yep. Ooh, that's what it is. Yeah, so that's connected. This one's already connected to there. I'm gonna self tap them right here, put them in this corner so I could hide it from future builds if we put a turbo here or turbo there somewhere. I already installed my, sorry about the mess, sleep cylinder. Looks good. Got the hybrid racing clutch line. You see? And hybrid racing extended throttle cable. It actually fits right in there. Pretty neat. Goes in there. Pretty simple to install. We're just gonna connect some, basically some vacuum lines in here, and I gotta get some cutter pins right there for it. I'm missing them. I just use this stock bracket. It works, so it looks good. Let's see, we already got the starter right in. As you can see, starter. Still need to run a wire, I think, from here all the way to the battery. I still need to figure this thing out, this mount here, but I'm gonna try to maybe grind that off or get a bolt. I'll make it work. And I still need to get a bolt there, but the motor is in, so for now. And I'm gonna work on this, taking these things out today, so we could put our Mishimoto. So, got the radar mounted. Mounts. Got some self tappers in there. Should work. 3 self tappers. That thing is not going anywhere. So we should see. So I cut some of this things right here. It's a stock one that goes here. A little bit of pieces, so we can lay it in there. Show you guys how it's done right now. Cut some little piece right there too, as you see. So should work. Whew. Oh yeah. Here goes the final product of our bracket. That's pretty clever. So you have the gasket in there still. It's not touching. I think it's good. So, yep, she's mounted. Hybrid racing. Got a little bit of piece right there, so it's like fully flush. Yep. So yeah, custom made the stock one. Just cut the ends of it with the bandsaw right there. Cut it so it's more flush right here. Put a silk tapper. Pretty much straight. This looks good. Man, it looks so good. So I'm gonna mount my, let's get in here, see if it works. Figure it out. Maybe we have to relocate this, but for now, radiator is installed. Bottom hose is done. I think that's how it goes. See how yeah, there's no kink. Oh, that's perfect. Nice. Okay. So yeah, you gotta connect this to this guy. This is the drain back to the tank. So we're gonna try to cut this guy right here somewhere. Cut it and put this fitting right here. There we go. Fitting is installed. Alright, I'm gonna plumb this guy. Put that axle in. Insane shaft. Yep. Put them in here. See how they fit. Already got jacked already.